Meet BestPack's BG Carton Sealing Tape, our answer to sealing recycled corrugated boxes. Made with a proprietary high-tack adhesive, BG tape quickly adheres to even the shortest of fibers within corrugated boxes, continually strengthening its bond to prevent opening during shipment. This aggressive adhesion makes BG tape a great alternative for hot melt tapes, including difficult applications like overstuffed cartons, double wall material, and dusty environments. BG tape even succeeds in extreme temperature conditions where acrylic tapes are prevalent. Winter or summer, frozen foods or heated products for road repair, BG tape will provide a high-quality seal at a very affordable price. In stock and ready to ship, BG tape is sold exclusively at BestPack. Learn more by contacting our sales team at sales@bestpack.com.